middle.
Middle.
You see the guys in the guy in the blue penny? He's quick.
The whole team looks a lot quicker now. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Looks like they have about 3 that can play on the field at any time. That's all you really need in this place.
Yeah. Good.
Watch behind you.
Behind you, behind you.
This way, this way. Mark up, you got one back here, Charlie. Don't lose her.
Good shot, Josh.
Talk to each other. Time. I'm with them. So Charlie. There it is. Oh.
Who was that? Cindy?
So close. Get back. Good luck. I got somebody. It's just 3 guys playing with each other.
Cindy, grab that. Back.
Cindy. You guys playing, okay?
Hit.
Good hit.
That's a good try.
Hey. On you.
Good Charlie.
Keep your man, Charlie.
Charlie.
Behind you. You gotta stay in. I know, but stick with him. Stick with him, but it's close to the road. Right here. On. Alright. Mark up. Stay him. Stick to you, Beth.
Cindy.
Back post. Get it. Alright, good job. Tell them kids when you're going to come get it.
Yes, Sil.
Nice.
Yeah!
Nice work, Don. Yep.
We're playing. Colin, great toss.
We just play at our pace, not theirs. We played too fast last week, that was fun.
Stick with her, Cindy. Cindy, stick with her.
Sylvia, talk to her.
Cindy.
Don't get tied in.
Cindy.
Pick a guy, people. Purple, pick somebody and stick with them.
Sylvia. Beth, talk to
Beth, you gotta pick him. Okay, move. Ball.
Nice
Top ball. Blue ball, right?
You ready for the drop?
Alright, so let's go, Tiger. Wake up, man. Let's go. Stay in the back, Tiger. In the back. That's where you was. Position for position, guys. It's time go. Look at it. Help! Nice. Okay, that's ours, guys. That's ours. Let's go. Beth, get in there. Let's go, Beth.
Hey!
In the 6-yard box, man. Some of the hit. Get any rebound back here. Right here. back. Your leg again? My knee. You okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Take it off, man. Ain't got time to be injured. As the guy said on Predator, I ain't got time to bleed. We need to rest and get back in, man. We keep the pace slow. They're not that good, man. Watch the line, right here. Let's go, play up top. Let's go, turn around, give it a hit. Step, Justin. Okay, one of you, don't dive. There you got it. One of you. Hey, Beth, that's all. Switch it. Keep it this way, man, this way. Look this way. Switch fields, Tiger. Good job, Tiger.
Good bud.
Turn around, let's go. Turn around, Tiger, let's go. Alright, we're still on, let's go. Inside, Tiger, middle. Inside, jaw. Safe, keep. Brandon, get goal side. Pick your guy up, good job, keep. Go kick, let's go, it's our ball. Let's go. Step to that, Tiger, good job. Stand up. There you go. Okay, 3 of you guys, you gotta look at your positions. You gotta go forward, man, you gotta go forward. Dustin's going up. Brandon, stay back now, Dustin's going up. Okay. You guys gotta switch positions, but you gotta tell each other, go, guys. I'll do more talking here and I'm not even playing, let's go. Doesn't even matter. Cindy. Back. Cindy, drop! Right behind you, drop! There it is. You gotta pick that girl up. Get back to the door. Drop! Fine. Good job, Justin. Get there, Beth. Make it go. Easy. Tiger, get on him. You're on 15. Stick with it. Don't dive in, man. Don't dive. That's why you don't dive. There you go. Good job. Keep on with them. That's fine. You gotta turn every time, man. Somebody put a foot in there. Put a foot in. There you go. Good job. Come on, Beth. You gotta get on that. Cynthia, get back a little bit. Justin, you got far. Behind you. Shot! Okay, sub, whatever your name is. Which one? Maybe sub. Guy with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on his back.
Oh, guys,
Brandon, next sub. Drop. Take it. Nothing there. You gotta get it out of there, man. Good job. There you go. Okay, pick up. Yeah, there it is. Good
job, Justin.
Coming on. Good ball. Looking. Step up. There's 3 of you guys standing on one line. Pick a guy up. Brandon, pick somebody up, man. There you go. Go with it.
Kick it.
Brandon, let's go. Brandon.
You're good, Sylvia.
Drop back, come on. Tiger, go with him. Tiger, pick a man. take a run.
Alright, that's it.
Cindy. Cindy, Cindy.
Cindy, drop back.
Step. Good step. Now jump. Short one, short one. Let's go. We're ready. Come on.
Doc, are you good?
Come on, guys, get back. Come back. Cindy, go, go, go.
Good step, Josh. Oh.
That's not us getting back. What's up?
Quick passes, quick passes. Oh, that's not it. Come on, man. Get back, get back. Oh, thank you. There you go. Go long, yeah. That's all right. Yep, shut. Come for it. Right here, right here.
Everybody's coming on. Come to it, Cindy.
Ooh. Good kick, Cindy.
Good job.
Cindy, stay with her.
Cindy.
Cindy, stay with her. Stay with her.
Oh, come on, guys. Don't ball here.
Come on, guys, stay with them. Move your legs.
Here, get back.
Mark up.
Backside.
You're in.
On hard. Come on, Sylvia, take too long. Get back.
Mark up.
Inside, inside, inside. That's fine, that's fine.
No slide. I'm just saying.
We'll be able to do that every time, guys. Now back to him. That's wasted if we put it in there. Probably behind you.
Cindy, stay with her.
Step to it.
Step to it.
Sorry.
On you, on you, on you. Spread, spread, spread. On you.
Good job.
You got time, Cindy.
Falling down everywhere.
Come on, get back, guys.
Cross, cross. Ask for space if you need it. Get back to him. Charlton, get back. Careful if you need one. Get it.
Good job, Charlie.
Chase it down, Cindy.
Press it, press it, press it.
I don't think Sandy is a runner.
Let's run. Take the ball.
Where's the defense?
Was that a goal?
Yeah. come to the
You're
ball.
giving it away too much. Get back.
Center still.
On you.
We'll go right through him.
Come out.
Stay. On you.
Good stop.
Okay, Tom. You gotta make smarter passes so it's coming out. That center guy's wide open.
Stay with her, Cindy.
Come on, guys. The ball's right there. Kick it. They're staring at it.
Good ball. Good outlet. Get back. Get back.
Silvio, come on, man. Play like you mean it.
He tripped him.
Come on, back up, back up, back.
All right, we need to switch. Play.
Carl. Center.
Come on. So. Oh.
No.
No, should just stay one man down, man. It's too easy. Go two, don't step off, go two! One of you guys has got to go, one of you got to stay with a man, man. Come on, face it. Somebody talk. It can't be the forwards, and they pass them, one of you guys has got to step up. It's gonna be easy, man, there's no one there.
This is too short.
You gotta play through the middle, guys. Throwing balls ain't gonna get us anywhere. Step back. Time!
Job, Tiger!
Good job, Tiger. There you go. It's easy as that, man.
Get back, guys, a little bit.
Go two!
Stay with that, CNT.
Beth, you gotta come back! There you go, easy. Look up! Easy. There you go, settle. Okay, somebody come. Beth, make that run! You gotta pass it that far, man. You run away from her. There you go, go, man. We're making it hard for ourselves by losing the ball, man. Step, Justin.
Come on. Use your drop. Come on behind.
Good job, Justin. There you go. Watch this side. Watch the middle. He's going to go and give middle. He's not going to give it to her, man.
Oh, go. Same thing. Get back a little bit.
Go. You got to play it easy, man. Easy ball. We're not going to get anywhere with that. Hey, easy ball.
I can't trust where he's going to be.
I know.
So I don't know what to play.
You good there. Let's try your best, man.
I get sick of it coming.
I know you do. It's frustrating. That's too good position, man. You guys practice, that's what you got to work on with Tiger. Stay in this position because he just won us everywhere, man. He's ball follower. You ball follower, you got to create. Drop, purple! Get back, there's four of you up there. Get back! There you go, good job, keep.
Come on,
Job,
Brandon.
Colin.
Go for it.
Come on, Brandon, you got to hustle, man. Another minute and I'll switch with you. Let's go. Pressure the ball. Okay, you got to come back. Shot. There you go. Good job. Brandon, get. Come on, keep going. Come on, Brandon. 30 seconds.
Check to the
man.
ball,
Let's
check to the
go.
ball.
30 more seconds. Let's go. Come on. You can do it. Move for him. An option. Somebody go line.
Check to him.
Okay, Brandon. Let's go. Turn around.
Going for Tiger.
Okay, come on, you ready?
Go for Tiger.
All right. Settle. Go away from him.
Check to him.
Somebody come to him. Settle. There you go. Give it, switch. Okay, ready? Good. Yeah. Okay, Tiger.
Oh, is that what happened? You alright, Brandon?
Drop, Tiger.
Good job, Beth. Good clear.
Step up.
Get out there, Tiger. Okay, Tiger. Tiger, stay back.
Right idea.
Drop to the Tiger.
On hard.
Get down.
Good stop, Tiger. Ah.
You got 50 seconds.
Give the ball up. I think good ball.
Good job, Colin.
Turn. Have one.
Go behind.
All right. Step ball. Come in and double them. Get back.
Good job.
That's good.
Come on, Cindy.
It's good defense.
Press that.